Okay, so I learned a couple of things from watching some more videos and researches. I didn't have to remove this whole assembly. The new pump came in and it's just this piece. That's it. 3 screws. If you tip this up, you screw up top, toward the bottom, and on the back side, same deal. So I'm going to remove the old pump and replace it with the new one. And the new one, the old one was freewheeling. This one's got some magnetic pull to it. So I'm 100% confident that that's the deal. So let me get back to you and I'll show you the difference. Okay, the other part of this is on the bottom, we'll call a sled. 3 screws, 1 there, 2 on the bottom. You need to take that off in order to clear the lip, which sits below in that slot. Here's the old one, and it just spins. There's no magnetic pull like this one has. So that tells me that the shaft is broken on the inside, which is not serviceable. So the old one goes away. The new one, simply line it up the way you took it out and push it back in, bolt it together. So I'm going to reassemble everything, put the whole thing back together, and give it a test run. And I'll show you that. I'll be back shortly. Here's another tip I came across on the internet, and I don't remember who did it, but they usually call for a special tool to spread this spring out. This ring is what holds the rubber gasket. This part here, it goes in a slot and holds it in place. So we just took a box wrench, some zip ties, pliers to tighten it up and spread the spring. And I'll line it up, get it pushed under there, and cut. As you can see, the ring went in nice. And there's a little slot in the rubber underneath that the spring sits in. Now I'll finish the reassembly and go for the testing. Okay, now to put it into test mode, I have to put this camera down for a minute. You gotta press spin and soil together simultaneously, and then press the power on button. Maybe I could do this with you in my hands here. And that'll happen. And you can set it through its different cycles or let it go. We can just advance it by hitting the play pause. And do all these different tests. So that's it. I put it through its cycles. Everything's working. Straining just fine. Now we can get back to life. Until next time, adios.